Anything is possible. It started with a dream. Our passion made a difference and built a family.
Hello, it's Libby from LibbyStamps.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and today I'm bringing you a how-to tip. So today we're going to look at how to re-ink our stamp pads, and this is just my way of doing it. So I've got a Sahara Sand stamp pad here, and yes, it's one of the old sort, but you do the same with the new stamp pad. So just open it up and lock it in, and then take your re-inker. Now, I always suggest you buy the stamp pad and the re-inker at the same time. Re-inkers are great for different techniques. They're even better for re-inking your stamp pad. So you're just going to put a few drops around like that. You'll see they're starting to soak in. So it doesn't need a lot of drops. Put the lid back on your re-inker so you don't end up wearing it. And then just with your bone folder, and you can see I've done this a few times, just go in and smooth all that ink down that you've just put on and massage it into the pad. You'll be able to see there that it's going into the pad. Alright, clean your bone folder off with a wet wipe, and it's good to go for another time. And close up your ink pad, and then just leave it overnight. And then when you go to use it again the next time, it'll be all re-inked and lovely and juicy to use. So that's my tip for today. Don't forget you can buy these items in my online store. Go to libbystamps.com and click on the shop button. I'd love you to be a customer of mine. I look forward to sharing more tips with you very soon. Okay, that's it for now.
Everybody plays a part in doing what we love.